Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to disable the option that lets people find your X account through your phone number on the web version of X, formerly known as Twitter. If you value privacy and want to control how others can discover your profile, this quick update is definitely worth checking out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Once you're signed in, look toward the left-hand side of your screen and click on the More icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account settings and safety preferences are managed. Next, select Privacy and Safety. This section helps you decide what information you share and how other users interact with your account. Inside this menu, click on Discoverability and Contact. This is the area where you can control whether people can find you by your phone number or email address. Depending on your security setup, X might ask you to confirm your password before continuing. If that happens, just type your password. Then click Next to move on. Once you're in the Discoverability and Contact section, look for the option that says Let people who have your phone number find you on X. By default, this setting is often turned on, which means anyone who has your phone number saved in their contacts might be able to locate your X account. To prevent this, simply uncheck the box next to that option. The change saves automatically, so you won't need to confirm anything else, and that's it. You've successfully turned off the phone number discoverability feature on X. From now on, people who have your number won't be able to find your account through that information. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in keeping your profile private. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider checking out more videos like this one for quick and easy updates on the latest privacy settings across your favorite social platforms.